In this video I will show you how to send pictures from your photo gallery as snaps on Snapchat, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Launch the Snapchat app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the camera interface and record a brief video, about 1 to 2 seconds. This step is necessary for the import feature to activate. You can record anything since this video will be deleted afterward. After recording, look for a plus symbol button next to your video.
Tap it to proceed.
A new page will open in Snapchat. Look for the Import Media option on the right side of the screen and tap on it. This will open your camera roll or photo gallery. Browse through your gallery and select the photo you want to send as a snap. You can also select a video if you wish to send that instead. Once you've imported the photo, you can return to your timeline. Here, you'll see the recorded video you made earlier. Since you no longer need it, go ahead and delete it. Tap on the photo to open it in the editing mode. You can add filters, text, or stickers as you desire. Once you're satisfied with the edits, you can send it as a snap to your friends or add it to your story.